What's up guys, so few days ago we have talked about how Google is going all with the new Pixel 6 and 6 Pro this year. Google is coming back to truly flagship smartphone with some exclusive features and hardware, and it is going to be an absolutely amazing news for not only the Pixel fan but to the whole smartphone industry as well, as it will increase the competition and we as a consumer will win. With that being said, we are in a Pixel season, so more and more information about the handset is pouring in. Today, reports suggest that the Pixel 6 Pro will be the biggest Pixel phone that Google has ever created, including the old Nexus phones. On leaks, as you know, a very reputed guy has shared the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro renders that are based on the official card schematics. The render images are in line with the John processor showed a few days, basically confirming that the phone will come with a unique new design that seems a camera bridge on the rear panel. But he also shared some specs of the handset, and there's some good news. First, the screen size has been revealed. The Pixel 6 Pro will have a 6.67-inch of QHD Plus AMOLED display, the biggest size ever on a Pixel device. Not only that, the phone will have a 120Hz high refresh rate screen according to Ross Young, who is a display analyst. Plus, the display is curved like the Samsung flagship, while the Pixel 6 will have a 6.4-inch of flat display. So if curved display is a problem to you, then Google has covered you up. Now what's not clear is the refresh rate as well as the screen resolution of Pixel 6, which, well, we have to wait a little more to find out. Another thing is confirmed the presence of periscopic zoom camera, making it the first Pixel phone to have this lens. We already have this news yesterday, but it come from a guy who had a mixed track record. But if the OnLeaks is saying that phone will have a periscopic zoom camera, then these rest of the showed it will have a camera. This guy has also shared the images claiming it's a real photos of the Pixel 6 camera. Also, we have some info about the software features of the Pixel 6 lineup. According to XDA developer, the Pixel 6 will have the audio coupled haptic feedback inside. Google is likely to announce this new flagship on September the 30th later this year, so I'm pretty much excited about that particular device. More and more leaks are going to be coming in the future, so do consider subscribing my channel for daily updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.